Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel Cherish Coco. In today's video I'll be showing you how to season your fish and how to fry them without getting sticky. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer the fish from this tray into a bowl, and we have to season the fish. Here I have this fish, in Malaysia, I don't know the name, but it looks like croaker fish. And this is the head of the fish. Alright, so I also have another fish here, so this one I'm going to be frying it big like this. I'm not going to be cutting it. Alright, so guys, let's transfer the cut one into the bowl and let's season it. You can use this fish for fish in sauce, or you can use it for stew. You can use it to cook stew or fish in sauce. So like I said, I'll be seasoning this one and I'm going to be frying it this way. These three fish, I'm not going to cut it. I want to use it for fish in sauce, while I will use this one, I will fry it and also use it for stew. Alright, so let's go ahead and season the fish. Let's set this aside and season the fish. First, I'm going to be adding my salt. When seasoning a fish, you don't need much, okay? You can just go with salt alone is fine. You can go with salt alone is fine. You can also use some seasoning for it. Like now, I'll be using salt. So I'm going to be using salt. I'll be using my Maggi seasoning, Maggi cubes. Add some deep crust to it. Not so much, just small. I'll also be using some paprika. This is optional. It's optional. You can decide to go with it or not. So I'll be sprinkling some paprika because I like the Alright, so all I need to do is just shake it and shake it and shake it and shake it, 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 shake it. And I'm going to use foil paper, or I'm going to use cling film to cover it, for it to, in order to marinate the fish for hours. You can marinate it for 4 hours or 2 hours, depend on when you need to cook the fish. So I'll go ahead and cover the fish up with cling film. So I'll go ahead and use cling film to wrap it up in order for the fish to marinate together.